Hey guys, we want all of your sexy Yandy gear to fit properly. So here's a quick tutorial on how to measure yourself. All you need is a sock tape measure. First up is your bust measurement. Your bra size is not your bust size. Place your tape measure across the fullest part of your bust and wrap it around your body. It should lay across your shoulder blades and be snug under your armpits. Lauren's bust measurement is 32 inches. Second is your waist measurement. Find your natural waistline, which is located above your belly button and below your rib cage. Wrap this tape measure evenly around your body. And remember, don't suck in your stomach or your measurement will be incorrect. Lauren's waist measurement is 25 inches. Third is your hip measurement. Place the tape measure on one hip, wrap it around the fullest part of your butt and across your other hip. If you're not sure where the tape is level in the back, you can do this step in a mirror. Lauren's hip measurement is 37 inches. Bonus step, your torso measurement. Place the tape measure near your inner shoulder, bring it down your body and loop it up between your legs. This will help determine if a bodysuit style will fit you comfortably. Now that you have your measurements, it's very easy to determine your size. Each product has a unique size chart, so we recommend checking the sizing on every item you want to purchase. Simply find where your measurements are on the chart, and you'll have your corresponding size. If you fall in between sizes, make sure to size up. And that's it, you're ready to shop. And don't forget, you can always find this information on our website. Just go to Yandy.com, scroll all the way down to our frequently asked questions, hit size guide, and there you go. All the information written out and ready for you. Have fun, Yandy babes.
Okay. Gotta prove it.
Yeah.
Hey YouTube, it's Brenna Black. If you like what you just saw, prove it and check out our YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe.